Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carsey Denise, and as you could probably tell from the title, I am going to be doing my makeup with makeup from Dollar Tree. This should be very interesting. So let's just go ahead and just, dive right in there. The first thing I got from there is the Color Mates brow and eyeliner pencil, and it is in the shade Black Brown. And so let's hope I can do my brows with this and the color isn't too drastic. Keep coming by with a real one, a chill one. Somebody like me, somebody who knows you like I do. Keep coming by with a real one. Keep coming by with a real one, a chill one. Somebody like me, somebody who knows you like I do. Somebody who knows you like I do, yeah. She doesn't match your fly. She doesn't dig your vibes like I do. You know I keep it real with you. Even when it's hard, I keep it G and maintain my loyalty. You know me better than anyone else. You went around and get somebody else. My brows are filled in. I'm going to take this LA Colors liquid makeup in the shade Natural, and I'm going to use this as my concealer. And they also had these Wet n Wild brushes there, and I'm going to take this smoky liner brush and use that to carve out my brow. Now the Dollar Tree isn't like Sephora where you can make sure the color works for you. So let's just hope this color works, because this was the closest color that I saw to my shade. Somebody who knows you like I do, yeah. Can you save me from this misery? Wanna blame you for the reason why we couldn't be. Yeah, you know me better than anyone. Okay. So I say you know me better than anyone else. You went around and got somebody else, oh yeah. Keep coming me with a real one. Keep coming by with a real one, a chill one. Somebody Keep coming me with a real one. Keep coming by with a real one, a chill one. Somebody like me, somebody who knows you like I do. Somebody who knows you like I do, yeah. She doesn't match your fly. She doesn't dig. This liquid foundation I was trying to use as a concealer, but this junk is runny. Like, in the shade, oh my Lord, Jesus. But let's keep going. However, like, I would definitely use this brush in real life though. This brush is pretty dope. So I would definitely be using this brush for sure.
This liquid foundation, yeah, no. Next, I'm going to take this LA Colors 3-color eyeshadow in the shade Lotus, which looks like this. And we're going to try to create an eye look. I also picked up these 2 brushes. It is a small eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild and a crease brush from Wet n Wild. And so I'll be using these brushes. First, I'm going to start with this blue shade here.
Can you save me from this misery?
Now, I normally like Wet n Wild brushes, but I'm not really impressed with this brush. It just could be the eyeshadow, but something ain't right.
You know me better than anyone
I'm gonna go in with this gold color here.
else. I say you know me better than anyone else. You went around and got somebody else, oh yeah, yeah. Keep coming, be with a real one. Keep coming, vibe with a real one, a chill one. Somebody like me, somebody who knows you like I do.
I'm gonna go back in with that blue. Kind of blend that in.
Chill one, somebody like me, somebody who knows you like I do.
So now I'm gonna go in with the Color Mates, the liquid eyeliner in black, and it also has a little mirror. So let's hope my liner comes out nice.
Let your fly. She doesn't dig your vibes like I do. You know I keep it real with you. Even
This is the hardest liner brush I have ever felt in my life. When I say in my life, Craig.
so you know me better than anyone else. You went around and get somebody else, oh yeah, yeah. Keep coming, be with a real. Keep coming, vibe with a real one. But you
When I tell you it is no type of glide on this thing, it is no type of glide on this thing. Like, it feels like I'm using a very rough pencil. Like I'm just going over my eyes with rocks.
knows you like I do, yeah.
Okay, we got some pigment now, because when I tell you it was dry as the Sahara Desert, this joint was dry. Oh, this hurts. Ew, that hurt, y'all. I don't even want to do the other eye, but I'm gonna do it for y'all.
Can you save me from this misery?
Almost took my contact off. Jesus.
Yeah, yeah, you know me better than anyone else.
This is when that saying, you get what you pay for, comes into play. Because, honey, I paid for some rocks to slide across my eye. Because this thing's so hard. Jesus, no type of bend on the brush. When I tell you no type of bend, no type of bend.
But you want somebody like me, somebody who knows.
Okay, it's enough of that. I can't take it. Got the nerve to have a damn mirror right here. The next thing I'm going to use, because I did not find any false eyelashes at the Dollar Tree, is the Wet n Wild Enhance and Define Mega Wear Mascara.
Somebody who knows you like I do, keep it real.
My eyelashes feel stiff and hard. Jesus.
You know me better than anyone else. You went around and got somebody else. I said you.
Yeah, no. Don't see a difference. I'm just gonna move right on ahead to the face. And I have the LA Colors pressed powder in the shade Tan. Now, it did not come in a lot of shades, and I am pretty sure this is not my shade, but let's just give it a try. So can I just say, look at the puff it came with. Look at it, really is this thin. Like, it really what you finna puff with this? You gonna puff and blow it away? I'm gonna use it though. We gonna see. I might be shook. Who knows? Oh, whoa, yeah, whoa. And this was the darkest shade they had, y'all. Ooh, if I don't look dry and ghostly. Oh, I look like Casper, Lord Jesus. And I don't mean that in a good way.
Can you save me from this misery?
I don't even think anybody is this shade. What shade is this? They should have named this color Ashy, not Tan, because this ain't tan. Or named it Casper, because that's what this is. Oh, I look like Casper!
Wanna get somebody else, oh yeah. Keep coming, be with a real one. Keep coming, vibe with a real one. A chill one. Somebody like me, somebody who knows you like I do.
I'll go back in with that liquid. Why I'm going back in with it? Hell, I don't know, but let's just do it. We're going back in with that liquid foundation to try to highlight under the eye. I mean, at this point, I might be sending signals to the planes to this way you land. It might be so bright. And I'm going back in with that same little puff because I ain't putting my brushes on this though.
She doesn't match your fly. She doesn't dig your vibes like I do. You know I keep it real with you. Even when it's hard, I keep it G. And
My Lord. I look like I'm ready to go on to glory. Don't even have my funeral. Just shit me on to Jesus.
wanna get somebody else, oh yeah. Keep coming, be with a real. Keep coming, vibe with a real.
Alright, girl, I'm looking beat and snatched. We might be getting somewhere, huh?
You look a mess.
And I'm gonna take the LA Colors contour in the shade Deep. And honey, I think they got their colors wrong because this ain't the darkest shade and this ain't the dark. Oh, just submit. Oh God, Jesus. All I'm doing is adding more ash to more ash. What the hell did I get myself into? Now I'm going to take the lighter shade and attempt to put it up under my eyes.
Save me from this misery.
You gotta laugh to keep from crying. Next I'm going in with the LA Colors Auto Liner in the color Black.
You went around and got somebody else. I said you know me better than anyone else. You went around and got somebody else, oh yeah. Keep coming, be
Smooth glide. Where? Where? I'm gonna go back into with this eyeshadow palette and take this like teal color. On to the next. Next, I'm taking the LA Colors setting spray, and I'm a little nervous to spray this on my face. Y'all pray. Came out a little. Y'all, it stink. I don't think it's supposed to be stinking like this. This setting spray a bug spray. It shouldn't burn. It shouldn't burn. Next, I'm going to take the LA Colors Liquid Shimmer Highlight.
You went around and get somebody else, oh yeah. Keep coming, be with a real. Keep coming, vibe with a real. With you, somebody like me, somebody who knows you like I do.
Last thing is the LA Colors Lip Duo Gloss and Lipstick, and the shade is Vibe.
Somebody like me, somebody who knows you like I do, yeah. Somebody who knows you like I do.
That's the lipstick part. And just the gloss part. So this is the finished look. So let's zoom in on these eyes, child. I ain't even gotta open them. I know they look a hot mess. I look like I died and went to heaven and said, "Hey Jesus, it's Kirsty." And he said, "Harpo, who this woman?" This how I picture y'all who say, "That's okay, I found somebody cheaper." Did you? The only thing I like about this look is absolutely nothing. I look a hot, funky mess playing around with Dollar Tree makeup. Honey, it's 2019. If you buy your makeup from Dollar Tree, you childish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, I got nothing else to say. I have to take this off because my face is burning. And I don't know what the hell is in that setting spray. But it's a little demon in that setting spray, and I got to wash the demon off because it's burning, and it's not gonna send me to hell. No, it's not. Not gonna do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.